Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Neato Botvac D5. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Start by turning off your Neato Botvac D5 and unplugging it from the charging base. Flip the vacuum over to access the bottom panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the panel. Set these screws aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the panel off to expose the battery compartment. Next, locate the battery. You will find it connected by a couple of wires. Gently disconnect these wires by pulling on the connectors, being careful not to damage them. If the connectors are tight, use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry them loose. When the battery is disconnected, remove it from the compartment and set it aside. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery compartment. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will ensure a good connection and help maintain your vacuum's performance. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Reconnect the wires to their respective connectors, ensuring they are secure. If you need assistance with this step, remember we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the battery is securely connected, replace the bottom panel by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. With the panel back in place, flip your Neato Botvac D5 upright. Plug it back into the charging base and allow it to charge for at least 4 hours before the first use. This initial charge helps to calibrate the new battery for optimal performance. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer not to handle it yourself, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect without any hidden fees. Just reach out, and we can help you. Finally, test your vacuum after the charge is complete. Run it in a small area to ensure it operates smoothly. If you notice any problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We have no calls, no travel services available for your convenience, making it easier than ever to keep your Neato Botvac D5 in top shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.